Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. There is no denying that competitiveness moves the market and encourages entrepreneurship. But just as it stimulates, it also requires companies to come up with strategies to survive by standing out in such a challenging universe. Competitiveness is the rivalry between a company and other businesses in the same industry. And to stand out in the market, a business needs to satisfy the needs and expectations of customers efficiently and economically. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. How does your company deal with competitiveness in its industry? Is it easy to stand out among the competitors? Don't worry. We are giving you 7 tips of business competitiveness to boost your brand. Check out. 1. Get to know your customer. Do you know who your company sells products or services to? If you still don't know, it's time to find out. Who is the target audience of your business? Where are these potential customers? What problems do they face? The tip is, build a customer persona. An outstanding company is one that knows exactly who it is dealing with. Don't be left behind. 2. Add value. Now that you know the importance of getting to know the customer, it is time to find a way to meet their needs and relieve their pain. To achieve this, study your market, compare the actual prices in the market, analyze the quality of products and services offered, and then differentiate yours from the competition, along with other strategies. Offer the best alternative for the customer. 3. Invest in innovation and technology. Innovating does not mean inventing. The basic formula is idea plus action plus result equals innovation. Innovation is the shortcut that leads companies to the success. So, anticipate yourself, think about new products, services, and concepts and hands-on. Speaking of innovation, technology has also been a great ally for companies to achieve goals, which previously were not achievable. Automatization of processes, for instance, can take your business to another level compared to the competition. Bet on it. 4. Train your team. You, as an entrepreneur, need to be aware of market trends, but keeping all that knowledge to yourself does not seem like a smart attitude. Don't forget that like you, your team also flies the flag of the company and believes in the business. Competitively strong companies have qualified professionals. That is why qualification and training are so important. Some companies offer discounts on educational institutions, courses, and various activities. Encourage your employees to improve. If you have a competitive person on the team, the company also benefits from it. 5. Bet on communication. Do you know any outstanding business that does not communicate well? There isn't. Competitive companies know how to position themselves in the market, and what assures that to them is to have a good communication strategy. The customers themselves expect the company to be present everywhere, willing to serve them, and marketing is the best way to create that connection. And don't forget to be online. Your company is unlikely to become a reference if you don't have your space on the web. 6. Define responsibilities. We have reached the stage of defining and managing roles and responsibilities. This function must be well managed, as any slip can cause great damage. The delegation of tasks and responsibilities needs to set clearly and in detail between teams and also individually. You, as a manager, have the mission of monitoring the results, making sure that all employees are meeting expectations and achieving goals. If everything is going as expected, don't forget to praise. 7. Collaborate with strategic partners. Any business that wants to become competitive needs to partner with the right players, whether with your incoming goods supplier, in technological solutions and other specific knowledge that do not belong to your company's core business. Good alliances generate great results. Now that you've checked out some tips on how to increase competitiveness in your company, learn how to map processes. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.